Did I get it right? Tama ba?
Opo.
Ganda lang.
As a live age character, ganda lang.
Ganda lang. Visual lang lagi. Diba? Ganun.
Ako siguro masasabi ko, okay na to. Kasi in all aspect, okay na to eh. Di ba? Okay yung palabas, yung samahan, yung celebration, di ba? Kaya mababasa nyo doon, live aids, okay na to.
MJ, direct ka?
Ako siguro, penge kape. I just need to be caffeinated and then I'm good to go. MJ.
Siguro, success. Kasi sumasuccess tayo sa live sa Samas.
Sinistep by the step na natin, no? Papatungo sa show natin on May 9. Right.
Is it okay to ask another question?
Yes,
Go ahead. Another question would be, what do you hope audiences will take away from Live Aids this session? What do you hope the audiences will take away from yung 35th show na po?
Okay, I can start. Again, I just want to, this show is just for me a reminder that there is a platform for free and creative expression na sana mawala sa atin yung, na huwag nating i-take for granted na pwede tayong makapagsalita, that maybe that people might not agree with. But we have that privilege. We have the privilege to tell our story. And we don't lose sight of it.
Consistent ang live aids sa pagpapatawa sa mga tao. Pero hindi lang basta mapapatawa kasi after mo tumawa, bago ka umuwi ng bahay o habang umuwi ka ng bahay, mapapaisip ka, oo nga no. Yung may ganung realization. And that in itself sparks a conversation. At kapag nag-start na yung conversation, ganun din magsisimula or may chance magsimula yung pagbabago.
Ako naman, in this day and age, everyone can be a content creator. No? So sana, pagkatapos nilang mapanood yung live aids, masabi ng audience namin na, ay, ang dami kong natutunan, ay, tawang-tawa ko, and I trust this content creator. Because not every content creator ay pinagkakatiwalaan namin. So, natin, as audience members. So, yun ang gusto kong makuha namin, yung tiwala ng audience. For them to believe in us, to believe in our story, and to realize that what we are telling them is important.
So yun naman, I hope that once na makatawa sila, natutunan nila yung mga messages na pinapahayag namin, I hope na after nila manood ng live aids is makiki-join in din sila sa discussion because it's always an ongoing discourse. Dapat lagi tayong nakikipag-usap, nakikipag-discourse sa isa't isa. Kasi it's through discourse that we are able to enact change. So I really hope na through live aids, people can also join in the discussion and hindi lang sila basta matawa nga at yung mga natutunan nila sa aming show ay ma-apply na nila sa diskurso.
Siguro dagdag ko lang din na